Graham cracker crusts are just better homemade. With only a few ingredients, some that you may even have on hand, there is no reason not to make them. Graham cracker crusts are perfect for lemon bars, pudding pies, cheesecakes, and many other delicious desserts. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. All ingredients used will be listed in the video description below. There are 2 easy ways to get graham cracker crumbs. If you have a food processor, add broken up pieces of graham crackers to the food processor and mix. This is my preferred method since it helps the crumbs get really fine. You can also add graham cracker sheets to a Ziploc bag and using a rolling pin or another hard object, crush the graham crackers into crumbs. Either way works, so whatever you have, use it. In a large bowl, add the graham cracker crumbs, granulated sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter. The cinnamon is totally optional, but I highly suggest it. Use a fork and start mixing until the ingredients start to resemble a sandy consistency. I like using a fork since it helps get a better crust consistency than using a spatula or a spoon. Now add this mixture to a 9-inch pie plate. Using your hands, the bottom side of a cup or the bottom side of a measuring cup, press the mixture evenly and up the sides of the pie plate. If you would like to see an example of multiple ways to get an even, smooth crust, you can check out another great crust recipe of my Oreo pie crust video, which will be linked in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like if you liked this video and subscribe to bake more good things next week.